Creating consistent short-form video is a massive struggle for creators, often feeling like a full-time job that eats up hours of your precious day. Between trimming clips, finding highlights, adding captions, and resizing for different platforms, the manual labor quickly becomes unsustainable. Today, I want to show you how I use Vizard to automate this entire pipeline, turning long-form recordings into viral-ready clips in minutes. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want more practical tutorials that help you ship content without losing your mind. Getting started is incredibly straightforward, so just click the link in the description to sign up and grab your free account. While the free tier lets you test the core AI features right away, upgrading allows you to remove watermarks for a professional, branded look. The first step is simply uploading your long-form footage, whether it is a webinar, a workshop, or a 30-minute interview. Vizard scans your video automatically to identify high-engagement moments, like reactions, punchlines, and key topic shifts. It acts like a smart assistant that already understands what type of content tends to perform well on platforms like TikTok or Instagram. For my demo, I uploaded a yoga workshop with the goal of creating a snappy 45-second promotional clip. The AI instantly generates a variety of candidate clips, labeling them by type, so you know exactly which ones are hooks, highlights, or calls to action. Every single snippet comes preloaded with auto-generated captions and a suggested thumbnail, saving you immense amounts of time. I found a perfect clip where the instructor talks about finding calm, and I tweaked the length to fit my 45-second goal. The editor is incredibly intuitive, letting you customize everything from background music levels to the actual text of your captions. If you need to make quick adjustments, you can simply use the command style editor to tell the AI exactly what you want changed. Tailoring for specific platforms is also a breeze, as you can pick presets that optimize the aspect ratio and formatting for your target audience. Once your clips are polished, Vizard's scheduling tool lets you queue up posts across all your social channels automatically. You can set your posting frequency once and forget it, keeping your content pipeline flowing without having to log in every single day. Compared to other tools, Vizard hits that sweet spot between being fully automated and giving you enough control to maintain high quality. While it won't replace complex cinematic color grading, it is perfect for the kind of social clips that actually drive growth. My favorite part is definitely the command style editing, where you can just type, "Replace this shot with B-roll," and watch it happen. For those just starting out, always remember to check those auto-generated captions for any niche terms that the AI might have missed. If you want to take your editing further, you can even export these clips into a more advanced timeline editor for deeper manual tweaks. Don't forget that there's 24/7 support available if you ever hit a snag or need help with a specific feature. If you're trying to consistently post content without turning into a part-time editor, Vizard is genuinely worth testing out. Click the link in the description today to sign up. Upload one long video and see how many high-impact clips you can uncover. You will likely be surprised at how many hidden gems are just waiting to be pulled out of your hour-long recordings. Thanks for watching, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content workflows. I'll catch you in the next one, and I can't wait to see what you create with these tools.